Thank you. Thank you very much.
I was so young when I was born, my eyes could not yet see. And by the time my first dawn, somebody holding me, they said, I welcome you to Crackerbox Palace. We've been expecting you. You bring such joy in Crackerbox Palace. No matter where you roam, no, our love is true. While growing up, we're trying to, not knowing where to start, I looked around for someone who may help reveal my heart. And someone said, while you're a part of Crackerbox Palace, do what the rest all do. Or face the fact that Crackerbox Palace may have no other choice than to deport you. Crackerbox Palace, we've been expecting you. You bring such joy in Crackerbox Palace. No matter where you roam, no, our love is It's true, it's true. Sometimes I'm bad, that's all a part of life. I'm standing in between them all, I met a Mr. Cripe, and he said, I welcome you to Crackerbox Palace. Was not expecting you. Let's slap and tap at Crackerbox Palace. Know that the Lord is well and inside of you. And we welcome you to Crackerbox Palace. We've been expecting you. You bring such joy in Crackerbox Palace. No matter where you roam, no, our love is true. You bring such joy